Want to know what these fashionistas are rocking? No, it's not the latest couture.
The total cost of her outfit is $14.93.
They're showing off outfits from their favorite thrift stores in the Style Wars fashion show. It's part of the first, and they hope, annual Thrift Week in Atlanta. Organizer Karen Charles says thrifting is a fun and smart way to shop for the latest trends.
When you see other people doing things and you see all the great pieces that they find, it kind of motivates you to at least try it.
And she's noticing that more people like Nashante Davis are trying it for many reasons.
What I love about thrifting is the thrill of it, the challenge in finding something unique that everybody else isn't going to wear.
And of course, saving money.
Back then when I started in high school, there was really a stigma attached to it. People always thought that if you went to a thrift store, you were either poor, homeless, or you just could not afford any other way of getting clothes. So I really didn't tell a lot of people about it.
Many thrifters, like Charles, are blogging about their latest finds. This is good news for places like the nearly new thrift shop in Atlanta. It's been run for more than 60 years by the Junior League of Atlanta to raise money to support charities. Camille Kessler, the league's president, says they've been seeing more customers in the last few years.
We literally, some days before the store opens at 10 o'clock, there's a line outside at 9:30 with people lining up waiting to come in here to shop.
What are they waiting for? A pair of $45 Christian Dior sandals, which costs about $200 in a department store. Or a $40 Giorgio Armani suit, which sells at a department store for over $1,000. And with so many deals, Kessler is hoping that this trend isn't just a fad.
I hope it's here to stay, and it seems to be that it's here to stay because the economy is on an upturn, as we all know, and yet our doors keep opening.
Charles says for shoppers, this is a downside to the rising popularity of thrifting.
The competition is kind of fierce now because you're in the thrift stores and you're seeing so many other people.
And she says prices have also recently crept up, but
it's still better than shopping at a department store.
For CNN, Natasha Curry.
It's low in the front.